Hello, my name is Kaitlyn Bernhardt. I'm a freshman at SUNY Potsdam, and I'm an environmental studies major.
My name is Vincenzo Bonaiuto. I'm also a freshman at SUNY Potsdam, and I'm a bio and environmental studies major.
For our project, we decided to ask the residents and students of Potsdam, New York, to see their opinions on community compost and their overall knowledge of what composting is. We conducted a survey which asked them a multitude of questions, such as if they would like a composting center, where it would be, and if they were willing to pay a certain amount of money to keep the composting center running. For background information, we decided to look at the Clarkson composting report from 2018, which gave us an idea of what kind of composting we could do if it was to be implemented, and also what locations were ideal for a composting center. Composting is an easy way to decrease food waste, which is why we would like a composting center in Potsdam, New York. Our basis for this project was that students who would support the community compost would like the composting center in town, while residents who were not students would like the composting center on campus of SUNY Potsdam.
Once we received IRB approval, we used a survey we made on Qualtrics to collect data on this issue. We posted the survey on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook from April 2nd to April 13th, and once we had a sufficient sample size, we did data analysis. In the end, we had 81 participants, 59 of those being students, and the remaining 22 being non-students. And our data showed overwhelming support, as you can see in Figure 2. Only a small proportion of people said maybe, and no one said no. Which was interesting because students reported composting significantly less, as you can see in Figure 1. We also found that students are less willing to pay, which, if you think about it, makes sense because college students might not have a good source of income or enough income where they can spare some for this. We also found that students preferred the compost center be on campus, and non-student residents prefer it be in town, which doesn't support our original hypothesis. It's the opposite. In conclusion, there was overwhelming support for the implementation of a compost center. We didn't receive a single no, which is pretty good. From our data, it seems that a compost center would be used and utilized by many people. However, we didn't have the largest sample size, but that's just due to other factors that we had no control over. If we did this again in the future, definitely more people in the survey would be better and a longer survey period. It's just we didn't have the time or the resources to do so, so we had to make do with what we had. Also, in the future, in-person interviews could be useful to help form the survey and have more in-depth questions. But apart from that, we think that we did the best we could with the time we had.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope that you like our project. Have a nice day.